In this video, we will be showing how to connect the 100-watt solar suitcase to charge a 12-volt battery. The new edition 100-watt solar suitcase is ready-made for 12-volt systems. The suitcase is equipped with the 10-amp Voyager waterproof solar charge controller. Included with the unit is the MC4 to alligator clips adapter, which is used for connecting the charge controller to the battery. We also offer an optional temperature sensor which can be purchased separately. Start by opening the suitcase and connecting the MC4 to alligator clips adapter to the MC4 connectors coming out of the controller. Next, connect the positive and negative alligator clips to the corresponding posts of the battery. Once the battery is connected, the Voyager will turn on. The optional temperature sensor allows the charge controller to continuously adjust the charging voltage based on the battery temperature. Connect this sensor to the labeled port on the controller and then place the sensor inside the battery compartment. The next step is to set the battery type. Tap the amp volt button until you see the battery voltage displayed. Then hold down the battery type button for approximately 5 seconds. The LCD will flash the current battery type. Once flashing, tap the amp volt button to select the appropriate battery type. In this case, we will set it to 12-volt lithium. To confirm lithium, tap the battery type button, then tap again to confirm 12 volts. You have now successfully set up and programmed your charge controller. Lastly, to maximize the output, adjust the legs to an ideal angle and then tighten the nuts on the joints. We hope this video has helped you familiarize yourself with RENOGY's new edition 100-watt solar suitcase. For any other questions regarding the unit, please give our support team a call. You can find the contact information below. Thank you for your purchase and have a wonderful day.